Welcome back guys. Today we'll be looking at the total market cap and the Bitcoin chart. As always, I don't want to waste your time, so all the chapters are mentioned in the description so you can skip to your favorite part. Starting with the total market cap, I've got the weekly chart over here. I have already marked up the important support and resistance levels. Market currently is sitting at 900 billion, which is over here, one of the support areas. But as you can see, market is really struggling around this level for the past few days. So there is some chance of a further drop towards the 850 level where we can see the 200 moving average on the weekly is available in red over here. Also, if I go back in history 2018, this was here, so this is an important level. This would represent a drop of further 5% roughly. In the event that we try to pump from here, we can go and test the 1 trillion mark, and after that 1.15 trillion is possible. This would represent an increase of roughly 10 to 15%. Let's head over to the daily chart for further analysis. So very important thing is look at the RSI over here. Generally likes to go below the 30 level, currently sitting at 44. So yeah, definitely there is some scope towards the downside, which can take us to the 850 mark, representing a decline of 5%. And once again we can see the 50 moving average available in green over here, currently sitting at 1 trillion. So yeah, this pump represents an increase of 10-15%. And if the price decides to pump further, we can go to the 1.15 trillion mark where the purple moving average is available. So that will act as a resistance, and by that time the RSI would be in the overbought region. So yeah, a lot of resistance will form. Let's move over to the 4-hour chart quickly. So last few days we saw this pump towards the purple moving average, got rejected, again rejected over here. So maybe there is some possibility of similar action happening again where we try to test purple moving average and then maybe continue another drop towards the 850 billion mark. And guys, not only this, look at this pattern. We are forming a bear flag channel on the 4-hour chart, so there is definitely a chance of a drop towards the 850 mark, 870 mark again. Let's head over to the Bitcoin chart and see what is happening. Current price sitting at 19,346, and once again if I draw a line over here, look at this action from the past, from the 2017-2018 high, and then again over here also. So quite an important level, and that is why we are facing resistance at this level. Last week we saw rejection over here also, and this week also we are getting rejected currently. However, on the weekly chart the 200 moving average in red is available, so this is acting as a good support. My current expectation is still the same. I would like to see the wicks. Look at these large wicks that were there, and I want to see the same thing happen. We have not seen this up till now, so I am expecting a wick towards the downside, maybe 16.5, 16,000. So if I put a line once again and zoom in at this part, you can see some action around this level, and then even in the past we can see some actions around the 16.5 mark. So that is a possibility we cannot ignore. Let's dive into the daily chart also. Not much happening for the past few days. We can see that the size of the candles are actually very small, but generally we can see price likes to go near the 50 moving average available in green. So there is a possibility of a pump towards the 21.5 mark, 21,000, this area. If not, then like I mentioned before, 16,500, 17,000, there is a possibility that this might happen. However, if I zoom out and show you guys, you can see on the right side that very less volume is available here. So generally when there is less volume, we see larger wicks, so maybe we can see a further drop. In addition to this, we can see RSI sitting at 45, currently likes to go below the 30 mark. So definitely there is some possibility for downside. We cannot ignore this. But I am hoping first for a pump towards 21, 21.5, and then maybe we'll go and test this level. Let's quickly look at the 4-hour chart also. Similar story, we can see purple moving average acting as resistance in the last few days. One rejection over here, another one over here. So a third one is possible. We cannot ignore that. Currently this will happen at around 20,000 mark. And from there we might see a decline back towards the 18.5 mark to find some support. If fails from here, then of course we will test the 16.5 mark. So this was just a quick analysis of the Bitcoin chart. As you can see, markets are extremely volatile. If you're actively trading, please don't forget proper risk management. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.